Welcome back to the channel. Today we are designing this vibrant realme earbuds product poster in Photoshop. We will cover distorted typography, vibrant color blending, and setting up clean feature badges. Let's get right into it. Now, in making the background, we are going to set up a soft pink-to-magenta radial gradient so the black case pops. In doing so, you hover to add a solid color overlay to your canvas. So here I'm going to choose this particular pink color. Now you add a new empty layer right on top of it. Take your color palette and select a lighter hue of this particular color. Once you select your color, take your brush tool and then just dab on the center of the canvas. And then as usual, you go on to add your Gaussian blur filter so that it blends uniformly with the background. So basically that is it. Now your background is set. Now you can group all your three layers together and lock it. So that is your background. Now you go over to your text tool. So once you take your text tool, you write what you want to write on it. So in my case, I'm going to write earbuds. So that is it. Now I'll take my transform tool and then enlarge it or scale it up. So this is it. Now I can go on to change the color to what I want. So in my case, I'm going to use this particular color. Just look at the color code. You can look at it and write on it. You get the same color as mine. So we make a duplicate of the text layer by hitting Ctrl+J on our keyboard. Good. Once you are done, you take your move tool and then drag your duplicated layer downwards. You can transform it this way. So please make sure you follow it closely. Once I'm done, I'm going to apply text distortion to this particular layer. But before that, you hit Ctrl+T on your keyboard, right click and click on flip vertically on your keyboard to flip the text. So now we have to drag the layer downwards. Now you convert it to a smart object by right clicking there and click convert to smart object. So now we are going to apply the text distortion feature. So in doing so, you follow the screen like this. So now you click right there and drag it outwards. So in my case, I think this is perfect. So you can now go on to add your color overlay to it. So I'm going to select a lighter hue of this color. I think this is okay. Good. So now your stage is set. You can, let me transform this a bit. So now you can add your main product, which is the earbuds, to this, right? So if you are looking for the image, it's currently on the description. You can check it out there for free. So once you import it, you just enlarge it and place it right on there. Then now you add a new empty layer on top of it. Drag the empty layer downwards, and on it you take a black color, and then with your brush tool just dab on the center of the canvas. You want to create the realistic shadow right under the earbuds. So that is it. Good. So now we are going to add our badges. In doing so, we add a rounded pale shapes at the bottom for features like noise cancellation or noise cancelling, crystal clear, and strong battery. So we are doing this because we want to reduce the space while adding a lot of text or information to our main design. So that is it. So I'm going to make it like this, then make a duplicate, 3 duplicates of it, right? But before that, we add a stroke to it. So I'm going to select this white stroke. So I'll increase the thickness to about 7. Good. So now once I'm done, I'll just make 3 duplicates of it by hitting Ctrl+J on your keyboard 3 times. So I'm now going to move or drag this one right towards. Good. And drag the third one to there. So now they are all done and set. You take your text tool and begin adding your texts. So first of all, I'm going to add this particular text, pure sound. So I'm going to change the color to, let's say, white. So I'm going to add my second text, zero distractions. So once I'm done, again, I'll change the color to, yeah, I think this is okay. So now with my move tool, I'm just going to align them, right? All right, this is nice. So lastly, again, we take our text tool and now begin adding our small text to it. So I'm just going to speed up this particular place so that it doesn't take much of our time, so you can follow it closely. I believe you guys will be able to do it. So that is it. Yeah, so now that is it. So I'm going to add my hue or saturation layer to it, right? So sometimes you can even select the color of your product design by this hue or saturation layer. For instance, I think I like this blue color. Yeah, this one is okay. I prefer this blue color to the pink color. And that is it. A quick, high impact product ad ready for your portfolio or project. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and click the video on your screen right now to check out our luxury perfume tutorial. See you in the next one. Peace.